Alright, today I'm going to show you how to mount this low impact, totally mark free cell phone holder. It's going in my 1985 Toyota pickup, affectionately known as Gwendolyn. Alright, as soon as you've got your mount location picked up, you're going to want to get the most ill-suited screw that you have. So make sure you start with that, and you can just kind of push that down in the dash like that, and the dash is so broken it'll just hold it. And then I might have to use two hands for this part. Oh, broke it. Alright, you didn't get to see any of that, but once you got your mismatched screws, just drill directly into the dash like that. I mean, that's a pretty good solid mount. I mean, we ain't no slouch here. Then taking this, you just pinch this sucker. You just put that right in there. Oh, and she's gonna